Alright, y'all, it's that time again. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got another laptop. Yeah, I know, another laptop. I'm done at this point, though. But if you remember in my last 2019 Notebook 9 Pro unboxing, I actually said that I was going to be getting the faster one. And if I do end up keeping the 13-inch version, I'm going to return this and then get the higher spec one. The 8 gigs of RAM is fine, but the 256 gigs is not a storage, because if you're a YouTuber, yeah, that's not gonna work out for you, Will. So yeah, now we got the faster one. I just wanna unbox it. It might be the same exact thing, but maybe not, I don't know. So yeah, we got the same Samsung notebook logo on the front. On the box, we got the same little Best Buy sticker that they include on here. And over here, we got the specs. So we got Windows 10 Home, Intel Core i7, 13.3-inch Full HD Touch LCD, which I actually love the size now. Remember when I was going all crazy about 15 inches? Now I just wanna stick with this. So we got 16 gigs of RAM. No hard drive, we just got a 512 gig SSD. This is our Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth right here. And then we got the same color Platinum Titan. I think that's all they got in colors. Top, we got a Samsung handle. On the back, we got our Samsung logo. On the right side, we got a Samsung logo with Intel inside. Left side's the same thing. And on the bottom, there's nothing. So now we got bust out old reliable. And I'm actually pretty excited for this one, man, because like I could finally do like regular videos again instead of swapping laptops every 3 days. So yeah, that'll be fun. And this gonna be my new permanent laptop for a while, at least until the 2021 come out. But yeah, this is what we got right now. So let's go and just crack into the box. And here we go. So over here, we got a USB-C charger. It's just a basic little laptop charger that you can't remove, which I don't like, so I gotta buy a separate one, like the MacBook Pro one or something. And then we got the other part for our charger. Over here, we got our active pin. Same exact thing, and this laptop kept going out. Like every time I was trying to buy it, like every time I went to Best Buy, they was talking about it was out of stock. That was frustrating. And it was still out of stock when I went over there, but they just ordered it online for me. So they took my other Notebook 9 Pro and then they just shipped it out to my house, and it just came today by what, UPS? But yeah, let's go ahead and pop this Energizer battery in here. So you pretty much just go ahead and twist off the top. You put the battery in this way, even has a label to tell you which way to put it in. And it actually takes quadruple A batteries, because in my last video I said it takes triple A batteries, but it's quadruple A. I don't really know the difference, but I mean, I guess it's smaller. But yeah, you can see it goes in that way by the plus and the minus right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go and take that out. And then you just screw it back on. So what else do we got in here? Obviously the whole laptop. Take these two off here. And there's our Notebook 9 Pro, our fast and beefy laptop, and I'll do a Fortnite gameplay on this soon. But here we go, man, I'm excited. Let's go and put that to the side real quick, and then the rest of the box, this is really all we got. So I guess we could take that from the side because we not gonna read that, obviously not. But I should have mentioned that in the active pen box, they actually got some extra tips in here just in case, you know, it wears down or you lose one or you break one or whatever goes on. So yeah, here's our laptop. We got this diamond etched design here on the sides, which I already talked about it. I really like it. But we got a headphone jack and 2 Thunderbolt. Wow. But we got a headphone jack with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. On the front, there's nothing. On the right side, we have a micro SD card slot. We have a fingerprint scanner and a power button. And then we got a USB-C port. On the back, we got a fan exhaust. Front, we got the usual Samsung design with the Samsung logo on the side. And on the bottom, we got 2 speakers. They're way better than the 2017 one, but they ain't that good. And we got our rubber feet. Okay, let's open this thing up, and you can't open it up with one finger. But yeah, here's our laptop with our touchscreen here, and it's a 2-in-1, so you can flip it around. But yeah, we got everything over here, like our trackpad, and I gotta say, like, this trackpad is like amazing with the gestures and just everything. And the keyboard, that's pretty nice too. It don't got like a lot of travel to it though. And at the screen here, we got a Samsung logo with the bezels, and the bezels are like really thin, but like the Samsung logo is kind of dark and like a lot of shades of light. And we got a webcam here at the top. This is our power and charging indicator light, and this is a sensor for the keyboard, I'm pretty sure. I mean, that was it for the 2019 Notebook 9 Pro. I got more into this on my other unboxes, so if you want to check that out more, go ahead and watch that. I'll leave a link down below and that little card annotation up there. But yeah, that was pretty much all I got for y'all, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.